For those of you looking for an easy way to carry lots of stuff, whether you're on the beach, around the house, or in the woods, things just got a lot easier. Today I'm excited to introduce our second generation e-beach wagon that we call Gen 2. In this video, I'll go over the improvements that we've made, the features that we've kept, and what sets Gen 2 apart. Whether you're upgrading from Gen 1 or finding us for the first time, you'll see how this wagon makes beach days or any other day smoother, lighter, and way more enjoyable. And here's something new. We're now offering international shipping. So wherever you are in the world, we'll bring an e-beach wagon to you. Let's go ahead and dive in. First, let's go over what remains the same. We have the same professional design inspired by the look of the Woody wagon. We have tall railings that come standard with depressions in the middle for oversized cargo. The railings are removable so the wagon easily converts to a bench or a table. And we have 8 built-in pole holders in the frame so that you can easily set up your umbrella or flagpole at the beach. The railings and the frame are powder-coated aluminum so they'll last forever. The handlebar is removable for easy transportation and storage. The wagon bed is removable so you can easily clean the components underneath. And we have a weather-resistant enclosure for our motor and controller. We're the only electric beach wagon that has an enclosure for the motor to keep it protected from the elements. And then on the controls over here, automatic braking happens when you release the throttle. And we have USB charging ports that come standard on every wagon so that you can charge your cell phone on the beach. Our Gen 2 wagon is the same size as Gen 1, so all the accessories are compatible. One differentiator is that our wagon is only 27 inches wide at the widest point, so it's the only electric beach wagon with 12-inch wheels or larger that will fit through a 30-inch door. And now for the Gen 2 upgrades. We converted the wagon to a 48-volt system with 800-watt motor, a lot more powerful than the 24-volt 500-watt motor. The battery is a 30 amp-hour lithium iron phosphate battery, the strongest, longest-lasting battery on the market. You'll now get around 25 miles per charge, and the battery could last anywhere from 7 to 10 years. The battery is also removable, so that you can easily remove the battery and charge it indoors, or store it indoors so that it's not getting damaged over the winter or in the summer in the really hot and cold months. The battery is inside a waterproof case with waterproof plugs, so it's completely protected from the elements. To remove the battery, you twist this waterproof plug and pull out, and then you unscrew these thumb screws here, twist these clamps around, and then just lift up on the battery.
We also moved the battery closer to the front of the wagon for better weight distribution.
We have easy access to the motor enclosure box by removing this thumb screw. You pop the plate off and you'll see now we have a motor transaxle. The motor is directly connected to the axle through a gearbox, so it's a little bit less maintenance than the old chain-driven system. Here on the little yellow lever here, that'll release your brake. Right now the brakes are engaged so the wagon is locked. If you pull up on the brake release lever, now you can push or pull your wagon in manual mode. Another really cool feature of our wagon is that the motor transaxle includes a differential, which allows one wheel to spin at a different rate than the other wheel. You can tell by spinning the one wheel in one direction and the other spins in the opposite direction. This is especially useful when making tight turns with your wagon to prevent wear and tear on your tires. When turning, the inside wheel travels a shorter distance than the outside wheel. Without differential, both tires turn at the same rate, causing the inside wheel to slip on the pavement. All of the components below the wagon, from the steering components to the battery brackets to the motor enclosure box, are all either marine-grade stainless steel or powder-coated aluminum with all marine-grade stainless steel hardware, so everything now is rust-proof. On the control panel, by popular demand, we eliminated the key on-off switch and replaced it with just a push-button on-off switch. Right next to that, we have another charging port. That's another option where you can charge the wagon while leaving the battery plugged into the wagon. And then we have the USB charging ports on the left, so you can charge your phone while on the beach. Underneath the wagon, we have a waterproof plug that connects the handle to the controller. We now have a much smarter controller that has 5 speed settings. You just hit the plus button. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 are different speeds ranging from 1.2 miles an hour to 4 miles an hour. The controller will also regulate your speed when going downhill with a loaded wagon. So depending on what speed setting you're on, you'll never exceed that speed even when traveling down a steep decline with the wagon fully loaded. The total weight of the wagon has reduced from 150 to 129 pounds, and as a result has increased the payload capacity to 355 pounds. When you remove the railings, the handlebar, the wagon bed, and the battery, the wagon weight reduces to 78 pounds, which is light enough for one person to pick up. Let me go ahead and give it a try here. There you go. And finally, all of our Gen 2 wagons come with Wheelies wheels standard. Wheelies are the premium low-pressure balloon wheels on the market that are made out of polyurethane, a much more reliable material than the PVC knockoffs that are out there. If you're looking for the best electric beach wagon on the market that has a 1-year warranty and the best customer service around, look no further than eBeach Wagon. Please give us a call or shoot us an email. I look forward to hearing from you.